trying to get him.
Hey, Supertronic, I'm trying to clean out your radio. Trinitron9, Coney Island, riding that afternoon wave. Hello, Supertronic, Trinitron9, Coney Island, break, break, break.
1-1, just my pleasure. You did step up in there, man, no doubt about it. I'll set this microphone down. Gotta go. I'm calling out on the new dog. And a few are trying to wave your way out by that.
Hey, Big Pill, A1 Pill, here I come. A1 Pill, here I come. I heard you in there. A1 Pill, I was trying to wave with the Supertronic in the desert, but I heard you when everybody got up that key. You popped up in my radio. Good morning, good afternoon, 1 Pill. Good afternoon, 1 Pill. Trinitron9, Coney Island, break, break, break.
What are you missing? What are you missing on that 999?
Hey, 1 Pill, get your mind up at 999. Trinitron9, trying to rock and roll in your ear hole. Hey, 1 Pill, get your mind up at 999. I'm trying to rock and roll in your ear hole. Break, break, break. No, get back on 1 Pill. Trinitron9, rocking and rolling. Just got down.
Yeah, small act. Yeah, I heard you. You say you missed a couple of peas. Keep on with the modified keeping on 999. It's small act, so 1 Pill is out.
Hey, 1 Pill, can Trinitron9 get up in your radio? 1 Pill, Trinitron9, trying to put it where you can get it. Hey, 1 Pill, the man with the cornbread, the man with the cornbread. 1 Pill, Trinitron9, break, break, break.
Well, good, Trinitron9, Trinitron9, and a Pill is out.
I'm trying to keep it in your radio. I'm trying to put it in your radio. I'm trying to get it in your radio. You said the pill is out. The pill is out. Take care, 1 Pill. Your friend in Coney Island. Your friend with the cornbread said bye, bye, bye.
151. Here you go, Bowser. Hey, I'm going to try to get coming over on the wall. Move on, man.
Who else gonna get in these deep waters of Coney Island while I ride the wave? Trinitron9 said, who else gonna put it in Coney Island while I ride the afternoon wave? Good afternoon on the band. Trinitron9, Coney Island, got down.
I could not get it. Break the break. Black smoke, you getting a hell, got bigger. You getting a big tree, hell, that got bigger than black smoke. Your copy of the post on the mobile. Put, master.
You said black smoke's giving everybody hell. You said black smoke's giving everybody hell. Hey, 1 Pill, you said that black smoke's giving everybody hell. Hey, 1 Pill, Trinitron9, riding the wave. Just got down.
You say don't worry about black smoke, back man. Say like you fight.
I'm just trying to walk and talk out of Coney Island. I'm just trying to walk and talk out of these deep waters of Coney Island. I'm just trying to walk and talk out of these deep waters of Coney Island. Trinitron9, the man with the cornbread in his hand, just got down.
A whole bunch of heavy artillery, man. Well, anyway, for 1 Pill on a low 40s, checking his mail.
1 Pill low 40s, 1 Pill low 40s. I don't know what happened to Supertronic. I was trying to get it to Supertronic. I don't know what happened to my friend Supertronic. I was trying to put it in Supertronic's ear hole. Trinitron9, Coney Island, checking this mail, and I just got down.
Wagon wheel, I've been hearing you out here the last hour. Or supposed to it for a little while. Oh, yeah, just another day. Quick. I'm trying to talk to the west side. But y'all got to it, man. Y'all going down hard in my radio. The great show, man. 400
I'm just trying to get my radio cleaned out in Coney Island. I'm just trying to get the Coney Island base station cleaned up. That's all I'm trying to do out here. I'm trying to get my Coney Island base station cleaned out. Trinitron9, riding the wave. Just got down.
Yeah. All right, my friend. This North Alabama does you back in the and it sounded like a 160, man. Was it a 160?
My goodness gracious, everybody's coming out of the woodwork, everybody's having fun, everybody's playing on their radio. Everybody's having fun, everybody's playing on their radio. Trinitron9 rocking and rolling, sticking and moving, shaking and baking, bumping and grinding, and you know I'm eating my cornbread. Good afternoon on the band, Trinitron9, real deep waters of Coney Island. Get down.
King of the South, I'm gonna get right on out of here, tell him right back, I'm gonna get out of it, I ain't trying to key down on him. Hey, so King of the South, you tell him I'm getting right on out of here, I ain't trying to key on him. Well, I just said right here, man, but it's getting ragged or something. I'm gonna ease on out of here, cause I don't understand all that old wee-woo bumble jumble stuff, sure enough don't. So y'all hear y'all 7-5, but I'm bumping on y'all later. A 1P, by the side, big horn, stepping down.
And the pill is gone, and the pill is gone. Take your 1 pill, we'll do it again a little later. Hey, 1 pill, we'll do it again a little later. 1 pill, 1 pill, 1 pill. Trinitron9, Coney Island. Said bye, bye, bye.
A 1P, by the side, big horn. Say, let's ride.
Let's ride, let's ride, let's ride, let's ride. Somebody wanna ride. Somebody trying to ride in your radio. Somebody trying to ride in your radio. Trinitron9, Coney Island. Just got down.
Hello, Round Buckhead. Who's that Round Buckhead calling me, man? It's kind of rough, man. All the dangerous man to catch you. Come on down. Yeah, he is slow. Well, it can't be Trinitron9 showing up, man. He's going back to 144 like he wanted to do something despicable. He must have some of my blood in him doing something despicable to somebody. Oh, 1P or 7.
I'm just playing in the water. I'm just playing in the water. I heard somebody calling me while you was on that mall. I heard somebody underneath your key. Trinitron9 just playing in the water. Good afternoon, good afternoon. I'm just playing in the water, eating my cornbread out here in Coney Island. Good afternoon, good afternoon. Trinitron9, the man with the cornbread in his hand. Got down? I'm down here in Laredo, Texas. On the low 40s in Laredo, Texas, around the Mexican border in the world. I heard you say Trinitron9, but that 1 pill had my ear hole. I heard you say Trinitron9, but that 1 pill had my ear hole. I'm going to say good afternoon, because I heard you say Trinitron9. Yeah, Trinitron9, real deep waters of Coney Island. Just got down? Whole lot of heterodyning. I heard you trying to get it back to me again, but it was a whole lot of heterodyning. And I know you're trying to get it back to Trinitron9, but I couldn't make nothing out but a whole lot of heterodyning that time around. Good afternoon from the deep waters of Coney Island. Good afternoon from the deep waters of Coney Island. The man with the cornbread just got down. Hey, 459 with the wave, 459 with the wave right there, right now. Good afternoon, my friend. 459 with the afternoon wave. Your Trinitron9 playing in the water. Break, break, break. Take it, Mr. 459. Everybody jumping up and down like James Brown. They got me moonwalking in the water like Michael Jackson. Hey, 459, they got me moonwalking in the water like Michael Jackson. Take care, my friend. 459, your Trinitron9. Hey, 459, your Trinitron9. Real deep waters of Coney Island. Said bye, bye, bye. man, that's a 459 New Jersey Roger. That's a 459 New Jersey Roger, no doubt about it, man. You sounding real good. It's just that skip. You know how it goes. Take care, my friend. 459. We'll do it again. Trinitron9, Coney Island. Said bye, bye, bye. Check, check, toodaloo. Check, check, toodaloo. Buy one pill, buy one pill, a one pill, Trinitron9 said bye bye bye.
That little rascal in New York. So man, okay, let's change our biggest song. You say that's why you gonna say goodbye for all of them.
He's saying goodbye for everybody. He's saying goodbye for everybody. That man saying goodbye for everybody. Shame on the mess. He's saying goodbye for everybody. Shame on the mess. Trinitron9, Coney Island. Just go down.
My bad, my bad, my bad, my bad, my bad. 148, my bad. I'm gonna try to clean it up. I'm gonna try to clean it up. I'm gonna try to clean it up. Stereo.
Clean it up, clean it up, clean it up. Clean it up, clean it up, clean it up. One pill, Trinitron9. Hey, one pill, Trinitron9. The man with the cornbread getting down. Yo, Trinitron9 rocking and rolling in these deep waters of Coney Island. Yo, Trinitron9 rocking and rolling in the real deep waters of Coney Island. Good afternoon from the deep, deep waters of Coney Island. Trinitron9 riding the wave. Just got down.
You want it to be known and shown everything? Hey, do me a big now. I ain't got rough, man. So did. Hey, you ain't clapping around the WDC, man. You still reading?
Good afternoon from these real deep waters of Coney Island. Everybody playing in the water. Everybody having fun. Everybody playing in the water. Everybody having fun. Good afternoon from the deep waters of Coney Island. Trinitron9 and more Trinitron9. The man with the cornbread in his hand getting down.
I know you try.
Hey, Motor Mount Mall, can Trinitron9 get up in your radio? Hey, Motor Mount Mall, can Trinitron9 get up in your radio? Motor Mount Mall, Trinitron9, Coney Island, got down?
Well, if you're 10-12 and under West Coast, you must be right here in my neck of the woods. You must be right here in my neck of the woods.
Now get back around the West Coast. Now get back around the West Coast. Your Trinitron9 rocking and rolling out here in Coney Island. Now get back on the West Coast. Trinitron9, the man with the cornbread, just got down.